Look, PSA announcement to everybody that watch my channel, man. Every morning I wake up, I do comment moderation. So the best way to get my attention is to write a comment. Now, I make videos about, spiritual awakening, about opening your third eye, your chakras, law of attraction, using your mind to, manifest in this reality. Now, these ideas are not new age. So anybody that come on my page and disrespect me while I'm giving out this information for people that's literally sheep, you know what I'm saying? I'm literally giving my information out to sheep. You know what I'm saying? It's a quote like, "Don't flaunt diamonds in the face of peasants." Like, I can't give y'all no gems because a lot of y'all is still peasants mentally. Like, I'm not talking about where you stay or, the amount of money you got. You mentally a peasant to me. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all is like that. A lot of the people with traditional beliefs that believe in Christianity or believe in, all this other shit. Like, how the fuck you believe in Christianity? You believe in a painting. You literally believe in a painting of a white man. You know what I'm saying? In a book that was wrote by the Roman Catholics. The Roman Empire. You have no physical evidence that Jesus ever existed or ever walked on this earth. They have not found his body. They have not found Muhammad's body. They haven't found Abraham's body. They ain't found nobody's body from the Bible, but y'all still believe that shit. And then y'all look at some shit like Hinduism, a culture like Hinduism, where motherfuckers really got temples. It's really bodies left behind. It's really underground, caves and shit that they done dug. You know what I'm saying? With sound frequencies and manipulated reality, but that shit is fake. And it's you traditional motherfuckers. It's you people that believe in Jesus, and you definitely black motherfuckers that believe in Jesus. Jesus died for the blood of our sin. All that demonic ass, he paid like that white nigga shit, bro. And I hope I offend somebody with this, man. Please leave a comment if you offended, because you will get blocked. I do not want none of y'all on my page. And every time I lose something, just to let you know, I get 2 back. So, this morning I had to, block 2 people because they talking crazy on my page, and I'm not going for that. I ain't going for that, no disrespect. I don't disrespect nobody religion. But don't come on here saying my shit is new age. My shit is original. That's why I say it's your boy original. You know what I'm saying? Everything I'm bringing to y'all original. But I obviously can't drop no gems in front of peasants because they gonna get offended and try to defend a fucking oppressor. It be black people trying to offend oppressors, bro. Like, that shit's so crazy, bro. But YON World is a new, not even new age. Not even new age. I'm a whole new movement. You know what I'm saying? Because motherfuckers is sleep. Motherfuckers is stupid. And I don't care if YouTube don't monetize this video because I'm cussing. Fuck y'all niggas, bro. This is directly from the GOAT himself. Fuck y'all niggas. And is anybody, who get offended by the shit I promote, I'm dropping truth. I'm dropping gems. Don't ever come on my page. I don't give a fuck who you is. I don't give a fuck if you paid me, sent me money. You got one chance with me. It's up, bro. Like, it's up on all y'all niggas. So, I hope I see one of y'all niggas. I hope a nigga say that shit in front of my face, bro. And a nigga will never disrespect me in person. You know what I'm saying? This internet shit gives niggas leeway. A nigga would never disrespect me in person, bro. I come with a whole new energy. I'll slap the fuck out of one of y'all niggas. You know what I'm saying? Spit on you too. So, hey, man, like, keep disrespecting me, man. Y'all niggas, like, it's literally 12 sides to me. Like, it's literally 12 different motherfuckers in me. Like, stop playing with me. Like, bro, I would go from educational to hood in nigga 0 to 60. Fuck is you talking about, boy? Like, hey, man, these niggas better stop playing with YON World, man. But look, man, I'm not on here to disrespect anybody. You can still follow me if you a Christian. You can still follow me if you a Muslim, whatever. But when I come bring you that original truth, and I show you some diamonds, and you show me that you're a peasant, you show me that you don't appreciate these gems that I'm giving you, oh, you getting blocked. You getting blocked off top. So it's your boy YON World. That's just a little behind the scenes, man. the people who gonna see this video, you know, gonna see this video. People who need to see this video, gonna see this video. But yeah, man, you're not a king if you're not a queen. You know what I'm saying? If you don't believe in your spiritual awakening, you know what I'm saying? If you don't want to get release the chains that these white motherfuckers have put on us through religion and our belief system, if you not, you know, into none of that information that I'm gonna be dropping over the year, over the, you know, whole course of my YouTube career, please let me know right now. Please unfollow. I do not need you. I do not need you. You know what I'm saying? I do not need none of y'all motherfuckers. Anybody that believe in traditional beliefs, you know, you can go that way. You know, look, that way over there, nigga. Fuck are you talking about? Bye.